Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Vega hair curler, only way. Start with dry, detangled hair and choose the right temperature for your hair type. Section hair into even parts and clip away excess to maintain control. Wrap sections around the barrel with consistent tension, hold for the recommended time, then release gently. Finish by cooling curls and setting them with light hairspray for longer hold and natural movement. Start with a small section and wrap hair evenly around the curler barrel to form a smooth spiral. Keep tension steady and avoid overlapping hair on the barrel to ensure uniform heat distribution. Time each curl according to your hair thickness to prevent damage while achieving lasting shape. Let curls cool completely before combing or applying product to preserve definition and maintain natural bounce throughout the day. Quick recommendation. On another note, these leak-proof meal prep containers make packing snacks and post-styling meals so much easier and less messy. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and save time between hair routines and daily life. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical tips and short product suggestions. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. For a lived-in finish, gently separate curls with your fingers and shake out excess volume. Use a small amount of serum or lightweight oil on ends to add shine and reduce flyaways. If you want more hold, mist lightly with flexible hold hairspray while avoiding crunchy texture. Practice different wrap sizes and directions to discover the look that best flatters your face and hair length for consistent, flattering results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.